Magandang araw. Welcome to our video presentation honoring the national living treasures of the Philippines, the Gamaba Awardees.
We're thrilled to share the stories of Magdalena Gamayo, Salintamonan, and Kinabilog. These individuals have dedicated their lives to preserving and promoting traditional Filipino art.
Let's begin with Magdalena Gamayo from Pinili, Ilocos Norte, a master weaver of inabel, a durable Ilocano fabric known for its intricate designs. Her exceptional skill in creating complex patterns without templates and her dedication to preserving traditional techniques truly set her apart.
What are these common patterns enable and what do they symbolize?
Common patterns include kusikos or whirlwind, binakol or waves, and inurayan or geometric designs. They often symbolize natural elements, agricultural cycles, and the Ilocano worldview.
How has the commercialization of textile affected enable weaving?
While commercialization can provide economic opportunities, it also poses challenges in terms of maintaining quality and authenticity. It's important to support weavers who prioritize traditional techniques and sustainable practices.
Are there any efforts to promote enable weaving to a global audience?
Yes, there are various initiatives to showcase inabel in international markets and fashion shows. This helps to raise awareness and appreciation for this unique textile tradition.
Magdalena Gamayo will ensure these vital parts of our heritage thrive. It's inspiring to see the younger generation embracing it and adapting it to modern contexts.
Next, we journey to Mindanao to meet Salintamonan, a Bagobo Tagabawa artist from Bansalan, Davao del Sur, who dedicated her life to tinalak weaving. Tinalak weaving is a spiritual process. Designs are inspired by dreams, each telling a unique story. Salinta's skill and understanding of Bagobo traditions made her a cultural icon.
What is the significance of color in tinalak weaving?
The traditional colors of tinalak are black, red, and white. Black represents the earth and the ancestors. Red symbolizes courage and passion, and white signifies purity and spirituality.
So how long does it typically take to weave a single piece of tinalak?
It can take several weeks or even months to weave a single piece of tinalak, depending on the complexity of the design and the size of the fabric. The process requires patience, skill, and dedication.
What are some of the challenges faced by Bagubo weavers today?
Some of the challenges include the rising cost of materials, competition from mass-produced textiles, and the need to preserve traditional knowledge in the face of modernization.
Salintamonan's legacy lives on through the vibrant tinalak fabrics and the country's life she touched. Her work is a powerful reminder of the importance of cultural preservation.
Finally, we honor Ginao Bilog from Mindoro, a master of Ambahan poetry and the Hanuno Mangyan script, born in 1953. He dedicated his life to preserving this ancient writing system. The Ambahan is a traditional Mangyan poetry form used to courtship, celebration, and everyday life. Ginao meticulously documented and preserved these poems and taught the script to young people.
What are the some themes in Ambahan poetry?
Ambahan poems often explore themes of love, nature, family, and community. They are used to express emotions, share wisdom, and celebrate important events.
How is the Hanuno Mangyan script being used in contemporary society?
While it's primarily used for cultural and educational purposes, these efforts to incorporate the script into signage publication and other forms of media to promote its visibility and use.
Can schools in education is to support the preservation of the Hanuno Mangyan script and Ambahan poetry.
Schools can incorporate Mangyan culture and literature into their curriculum, organize cultural events and workshops, and support initiatives that promote the use of Hanuno Mangyan script.
Bilog's education ensure that the Hanuno Mangyan script and Ambahan poetry will continue to inspire and educate future generations. His legacy is testament to the power of cultural preservation.
As we conclude, let us remember the invaluable contributions of Magdalena Gamayo, Salintamonan, and Ginao Bilog.
These national literature have shown us the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. Their dedication, skill, and passion inspire us to appreciate the richness of Philippines art and culture.
Maraming salamat. Thank you for joining us.